Hi explorers, welcome back to another video and also welcome back to our channel. I'd really appreciate if you like, comment, share and hit the subscribe button. Alright guys, today I'm going to be creating this DIY wall painting using these canvas that I got from the Dollar Tree. This is the multi-pack that comes with 2 pieces inside of it for $5. Each piece is 16 inches by 20 inches and I'm going to be using 4 of these for the project that I'm going to do. Here they are outside of the plastic. They are already stretched and framed, and so they're ready for you to start painting. So I'm just using the end of this sponge brush to get my measurements. I am using like half of the length of this stick to do the measurement on the longer side, and I'm using the full length of the stick to do the measurement on the shorter side of my canvas. Now for the design that I'm going with, the aim is to get a rectangle on the inside of my canvas. Okay, so I've marked the points that I'm going to use to create that rectangle, and so now I'm going to use this painter's tape to outline the rectangle that I want in the middle of my canvas. Okay, so now that I have my rectangle outlined in the middle of my canvas, I'm going to cover the inner part with some scrap paper that I have, and then I'm going to spray paint the outer part in black. Now the painter's tape will give the line a very straight and sharp look after it has been spray painted. Alright guys, this is ready to be spray painted. I'll be right back to show you what that looks like. So this is what it looks like after it has been spray painted and the spray paint has dried. And this is the spray paint that I used to achieve that black color. Now for the next part of the design, I'm removing this layer of tape and I'm going to cover the black section, and then I'm going to spray paint this part that is in white right now. I'm going to spray paint that part in gold. So right now I'm covering all the part that has been spray painted black, so that none of the gold paint will go into that section. I'm gonna use paper to cover the rest of it. So this white part right here will all be spray painted in gold. Now here is the gold paint that I plan on using. As you can see, I love using the Rust-Oleum brand because it just have a great finish. Alright guys, here is it with the gold paint, and it is now dry, so ready to move to the next step. Okay, so this is what it looks like after removing the paper. As you can see, the tape gives this nice straight line finish, and I'll just remove all this paper so you can see what it looks like so far. Now this is what it looks like after removing all the tape and paper, and for the final part I'm going to be spray painting the inner part in orange, and that's the color that I'm going with. Now there's a slight hint of black on the inner part that was taped down, so you have to make sure that you tape your paper down really good. I'm not too worried about it though because the orange paint will cover it all up. So I'm using the same pieces of paper that I used before to cover now the black and gold section. So I just have that inner white section exposed because that's where the orange is going to be. Alright guys, this is the orange that I used in the middle. I'm gonna remove the paper and tape for you to see what it now looks like. Alright guys, I'm loving it and this orange is popping, and so I'm ready to move on to the next step. This is what it looks like. As you can see, the sheen on the canvas. I think the spray paint really gives a nice finish, and so I prefer using the spray paint over the acrylic paint for this canvas. So now I'm going to apply Mod Podge to the lines where the colors meet, and then I'm going to apply some glitter, and that will cover up any jagged looking edges that are there. Okay, so now I'm gonna apply this gold glitter onto the Mod Podge. This is a glue that dries transparent, so you don't have to worry about it having that white look when you're done. Okay guys, so I just got this large piece of paper that I'm shaking off the excess glitter dust on, and I'm gonna reuse it for the rest of the project. Okay, so I gave this probably about 15 to 20 minutes to dry a little bit. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the inner part where the gold meets the orange, but this time I'm gonna be using silver glitter. So I'm using the sponge brush to clean up the excess glitter and just to get the edges to look a little bit sharper. And this does a great job in brushing off the glitter off the canvas. So my aim is to write different words on each canvas. I'm gonna be using the Mod Podge to help me to write those words, and then I'm gonna be using the gold glitter to help me to outline the words. Now guys, I do not have the best penmanship, but the good thing is that the Mod Podge, you can see it on the canvas, and so you can fix it as you go and tweak it so that it looks the way you want it to look. Alright guys, here it is. It's coming on. I am loving it. And here are the others that I've been working on. So I'm doing joy, love, hope, and peace. I thought these words would go nicely with Christmas, which is coming up shortly. Also, remember when you're working with glitter, you have to give it some time to dry so that it comes out nicely. Alright guys, here is the final product. I am loving it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I think they're beautiful and I think they're gonna go well with the Christmas season. So let me know what you think and I will see you in the next video. Bye!